What's up, traders? So let's do a complete multi-time frame analysis of US30 and US100. Let's see what kind of trading opportunity currently we have in both of these indices. Now we see that on the 4-hour time frame, we see a significant trading opportunity. Now before we discuss what it is, let's do a complete multi-time frame analysis. Then we'll come back to this time frame to see how we can trade US30 and US100. Now, as usual, in all our analysis, we start with the monthly time frame to see the bigger picture. Now, starting with US30 on the monthly, we have seen the past month there is a movement from this level of support zone. We have seen the whole month there is in bullish move. Now this month, the first 2 weeks, as usual, we have seen the same thing, a bullish move. But at this point, what we see on the monthly perspective, that there is a long doji here. If you look at this is a very, very important doji. Now the price just has broken this doji on the monthly perspective, as this is all the time is happening in the market. When you see a strong doji, the price break the high, you could see a significant retreat back to the zone of this doji. So with that said, we might see that US30 coming back to this level of support again, at least on the monthly perspective. That can give us a significant shorting opportunity at this point on US30, because this zone is a strong sellers area. Now, looking at the weekly perspective, we see this is the weekly candle, that is a narrow doji has been created on the weekly perspective. If you look at the overall direction in the market on the weekly, the market is already overextended to the upside, and you see there is a strong weekly bearish engulfer with a false breakout to the upside. So this zone where there is a significant seller in this zone and the price is already in this zone, meaning that we could potentially see a drop from this zone, probably breaking this low of this doji, or even we could see that the price is coming back to this level of support here. So if you draw this level, we could potentially see in this zone, or in this zone at least, that can give us a significant trading opportunity on the lower time frame. So monthly, weekly giving us a selling opportunity. Now looking at the daily perspective, we have seen on the daily there is a back to back quite a few days up price. It's an overextended to the upside, and we see there is a daily support as well here, which is aligning with the monthly doji that we are expecting, and we can expect the price to come back to this, at least to this daily level of support, where there is a 20 period moving average, an important level of support, and that can give us a shorting opportunity from this zone now as expected. So monthly, weekly, daily are aligning with the shorting opportunity. Now if we look at the 4-hour time frame for a potential trading opportunity, we see that this is what exactly I mentioned in my yesterday's live stream. Probably you have seen that US30, there is a pattern here to recognize. We see there is an impulsive move happen on the 4-hour, and you see that after this move, the price basically created a double top formation with a lower high on the right side with a strong rejection from the top, and followed by back to back two candles. You can see that penetrated this neckline of this double top and then rejected down. And see, if you look at the pattern in this zone, this a nice looking selling pattern. It's a bearish price action. You see every time the price approaching this neckline of this double top, this is a strong order block. There is a lot of big boys selling from this zone. You can see that the price was creating series of lower high and then melting to the downside. So we can expect a reversal from this zone on US30. As we are running a trade from this zone with our students, we might find another opportunity to add up in this position. As you can see on the 4-hour time frame, the price already breaking this level of support on the 4-hour time frame, and at the same time completing a head and shoulder pattern and breaking to the downside. So on the close of this candle, on the retest of this zone as a resistance, we could potentially add another position to the downside with a high risk to reward ratio with our students in US30. Now, US100 and US30 both are in the same kind of pattern. As you can see that a little bit of bearish move in US30, but if you look at closely, the same kind of pattern on US100, as both indices follow each other, we see that there is a neckline of this reversal pattern here. It's a nice looking double top, strong breakdown followed by retest of this support zone as a resistance multiple times, creating a series of lower high and then with a gap opening today, you see that there is a gap opening and breakdown, so you can expect now this price to slowly melt to the downside to this level of support as like US30, and whichever one will give us the best opportunity, we'll consider shorting on US100 with a high risk to reward ratio with our students. And if you find value in this analysis, then smash the like button, and also don't forget to drop a comment below to help this idea. Thank you for watching. See you soon in my next analysis.